it. JoJo.
Look at this.
Wow.
Awesome.
Squirt gun.
Wow, that's a big squirt gun.
What's that?
Devin has this.
You sure does.
No, this is a one.
What is this? This is just open. Oh, look how nice. That's a nice outfit.
Is that shorts or
Put
what?
the pants down.
Shorts. Why do all kids do that? Oh, what? Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's Spider-Man 2, JJ, look.
Whoa, we're gonna have spiders in here.
Spider-Man 90s.
We're gonna have spiders in
I
here.
like it.
Wow.
Let me see yours, Jay.
Why are you throwing them up in the air?
Throwing clothes.
Hey, Mama, let's see what's in the gas building.
What is it? Batman? What? Comes with shorts too. Batman shorts. Look, you got nice pants too.
Stop digging in your nose, Joe.
Oh, okay.
Takes after his father.
Takes after his uncle.
It's gold.
Uncle Warren digs in his nose.
Pull harder.
Well, what is it? Shorts? Okay.
Awesome.
He's got the shirt. Jason's got the shirt and Joe's got the pants. To
Awesome.
match the shirt.
All
I
right.
remember when y'all didn't
You
even
got
know
some
how
cool
to open
clothes.
packages. Remember that?
Awesome.
Clothes are always good.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all are gonna be looking good.
Y'all gonna look sharp.
This is Spider-Man shirt.
Let me see that shirt.
that.
Ooh.
That's Spider-Man.
That's cool.
Oh man, we're gonna get really wet with that big gun.
JoJo likes
You know
that.
your clothes.
What do you tell Uncle Warren? Tell him in the video.
Thank you.
JJ, what do you say?
So convincing.
Thank you,
Oh, those are
Uncle
nice.
Warren and Aunt Paula, Krista. Love you.